Our top story, Omar Abdullah, the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, has promised that strong action will be taken against the police escorts of Jammu and Kashmir Irrigation and Flood Control Minister Taj Mohyuddin, who allegedly thrashed a traffic cop yesterday. The incident reportedly took place when the traffic cop tried to prevent the minister's vehicle from jumping the red light at Lal Chowk in Srinagar. The injured traffic cop is in hospital now, and the two escorts of the minister have been arrested and booked.
उसने कहा आप लोगों को पता नहीं है, आप लोगों ने किसकी गाड़ी रोकी। मैंने कहा हमें पता है, ये मिनिस्टर साहब है, हम इसका ऑनर करते हैं, मगर आपके इस एस्कॉर्ट ड्राइवर ने वायलेशन की थी। आप मेहरबानी करके परले साइड जाइए, खड़ा गाड़ी करिए, जो आपको करना है, लोगों को डिस्टर्ब यहाँ मत करो, क्योंकि इसमें कम टाइमिंग होती है। उसके PSOs गाड़ी से नीचे अगर उन्होंने गुथम गुथा की मेरे मुलाजिमों के साथ, मैंने कहा ये ठीक नहीं लगता, आप भी बेल्ट फोर्स के मुलाजिम हैं और ये भी ऑन ड्यूटी है, ये अपना जॉब कर रहे हैं। अगर आपको कुछ गलत लग रहा है, हमारे सीनियर ऑफिसर्स आगे बैठे हैं, उनके पास कंप्लेंट कीजिए। एक सिपाही ने फारूक अहमद कांस्टेबल ऑन ड्यूटी को हमला किया रफल से, मैंने वो रोकने की कोशिश की तो दूसरे ने रफल ऑन करके मेरे मुंह पर रफल का बट मारा AK-47 का, जिससे मैं मौके पर ही खून में लथपथ हो गया। बमुश्किलन हमने ताज मोहुद्दीन साहब की गाड़ी का नंबर नोट किया, 3400 JK01P उसका नंबर है। ये नोट किया तो ये मैसेज हमने सेट पर पास ऑन की अपने सीनियर ऑफिसरों को, अपने कंट्रोल को। तो मौके पर हमारे सीनियर SP साहब ट्रैफिक, DSP साहब, कंसर्न SHO मौके पर आ गए और उन्होंने मुझे थाने में लेकर अस्पताल बरगद से इलाज मुआवजा लिया।
नहीं, मुझे ये बताइए, आपने जब उनको कहा तो वो उन्होंने ये नहीं समझा ट्रैफिक सिग्नल जो है आजकल यहाँ लगाई गई है ये बंद है, इस टाइम आपका रूट जो है वो बंद है, तो ये नहीं समझा उन्होंने, तो उन्होंने आपको बैलेट बट उठाया तो मार दिया आपके आंख पर, ये नहीं उन्होंने सोचा।
उन्होंने एक तो सिग्नल का उल्लंघन किया, सिग्नल तोड़ डाली है, दूसरे अपनी जिम्मेदारी नहीं समझी और हमारी ड्यूटी का अहमियत नहीं समझी और लोगों का वहाँ जो आमद रफ्त था वो डिस्टर्ब किया। लोग वहाँ पर वायलेंट हो गए, बोला ये एक मिनिस्टर का हाल है, ऑन स्पॉट यही कर रहा है, तो लोग क्या करेंगे।
Meanwhile, in a tweet, Omar Abdullah said that the cops who beat the traffic police officer have been arrested and booked. I have asked for the strongest possible action under law. NDTV's Zafar Iqbal has been reporting the story and he joins us now for more on it. Zafar, very clearly there, the traffic police officer who was beaten by the security detail of the Jammu and Kashmir minister giving his side of the events to you in that interview. And it seems like actually quite a shocking story that not only did they jump the light, they refused to stop, they held up traffic, and it all culminated in that attack on the traffic police officer.
Well, that's right, Kajuri. In fact, this is the place where this incident happened. This red light where the minister's convoy was going, it was stopped by the traffic cop, and that's the time when his staff from the escort they came down and they beat up the traffic cop. He was hospitalized for the night and now he's been discharged. I managed to speak to the minister. He said that his car had passed. It was the rear end of his escort that was involved in this incident. He said he had no knowledge, in fact, about the whole incident, and it's after a long time that he got to know about it. In fact, he said that it's not his security staff, it's the staff of Jammu Kashmir Police only. It's one wing of the police.
Let me interrupt you for a moment there. Joining us actually on the phone line right now, Taj Mohyuddin, the Jammu and Kashmir Irrigation and Flood Control Minister. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us on NDTV 24/7. Can you tell us what happened during this incident?
We were on this, the red light change, my front escort had already crossed the red line. I was stuck in between and my rear escort was also stuck up somewhere. After the light change, I left. I had one TV interview. I went there. It is only after the TV interview was finished that I came to know about it. Because it was in the rear, somewhere. They were stuck there. What scuffle happened between the two police forces, I don't know about it. I only came to know after an hour or so.
Sir, what is your response to the fact that two police officers of your security detail beat up a traffic cop who was only doing his duty?
I had no knowledge about it, in fact, and I could have intervened. It would have been the front escort. The rear escort, I don't know, because once the lights changed, I left.
Right,
And
sir.
this is not my personal staff. This is the staff of the security. They are the policemen. And they periodically change.
Right, sir. So now do you think that they should be, as the Chief Minister said, held fully accountable for their actions?
Oh, they should be. Why not? The case has been registered and law will take its own course.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us on NDTV 24/7. That was the Jammu and Kashmir Irrigation and Flood Control Minister, Taj Mohiuddin, who spoke with us, telling us his side of the story. Said that he wasn't actually present. This was the rear escort. His vehicle had already moved on and he only found out about the events later. Let's go back to Zafar Iqbal now for more on this. Zafar, it seems now we have two versions of events. We heard the police officer there saying the minister was there on the spot and the minister saying he wasn't.
Well, the minister clearly said that he had left the spot and it was the rear end of the escort that was involved in the scuffle. Now a case has been registered and investigation will show what exactly happened. But the fact is that these cops of the security came down and they beat up this traffic cop mercilessly when he was trying to intervene and asking them that he's just performing his duty. And that's when this whole incident happened. And Chief Minister has also taken a strong notice of this case. Now the two traffic cops will be produced before the court, maybe today or tomorrow. That depends upon availability of the judge. But I can tell you that it's happened in the broad daylight here in Lal Chowk. This is the first of the incident ever since these traffic lights were installed in Srinagar a few months ago. We haven't had such an incident. Even the Chief Minister stops at the red light. But this incident has clearly alarmed the people. It's a clear case of high-handedness. Kajori.
Thank you so much, Zafar, for joining us with those details. Zafar Iqbal reporting from where the incident happened and giving us an overall perspective of what was going on. Of course, those two security detail police officers already booked, already arrested, and the Chief Minister's promised that action will be taken. But tell us what you think of this story with the police officer being punished for just doing his job. You can write to us with your opinion at ndtv.com.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.